next part is a normal distribution. So if I say normally distributed data, so what are the conditions of normal distribution? वो डेटा का मीन और मीडियन एक जगह पे ही होता है. मोस्टली द डेटा विच हैव देयर मीन एंड मीडियन एट सेम प्लेस इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द normally distributed data. Is it possible to have mean and median at same place in real life data set? Mostly no. Okay, the process of calculating mean and median is different. Okay, mean is nothing but average of your data. So how we calculate? Median is a centered value. Okay, so first we sort our data in ascending order, then select the centered value. Okay, so the centered value is a centered means 50% data is lie on the left side of the centered value and 50% data lies on the right side of the value. Okay, and mostly the mean and median is same in normal distribution. So here you can see 3 graphs are there, and this curve from just like this bell shape, this curve is called as a bell shape curve. So bell shape curve is used to see the normal distribution, or can say to check the normal distribution. Okay, there are some graphs are also there, and there are some statistical tests are also there to check normal distribution, but mostly we can see by visualizing it. Okay, so in our graph we have see histogram of marketing column. Okay, so this column is also related to, or can say very near to normally distributed. Okay, so the center point is called as a mean and median. In normal distribution, mean and median lies here. Okay, and these 3 diagrams shows the spread of your data. So in normal distribution, 68% of your data is lies between +1 to -1, and these +1 and -1 are the standard deviation, or can say standard deviation number. So in our practical we have calculated 45,000. So if the column is normally distributed, most of your data or 68% of your numbers, or can say samples, are lies within one normal distribution. Sorry, one standard deviation. Okay. And if we cover second number of standard deviation, then 95% are also covered. So simply we have to see normal distribution is a curve used to check normal distribution of data. And what is normal distribution? The data set, or can say the distribution where mean and median are lies at the same position. Okay, then skewness. Now we have seen normal distributed data. So in normal distribution, the data lies on both sides of our mean with the fixed range. But is it possible practically? Does every data set will be a normally distributed? So there are 3 terms are there with respect to distribution. So first is a right skewed data. So in right skewed data, most of your data lies at the right side of the mean. Here you can see the red line represent mean of your data. Okay, and most of your data, like this curve, most of your data lies on the left side. So if most of your data, or can say 75-80% of your data lies on the left side of your mean, then it's considered to be the right skewed data. So pronunciation में थोड़ा difference है. If data lies on left side, then it's considered to be the right skewed, and if your data lies on right side, it's considered to be the left skewed data. Okay, and if your data, or can say your mean and median situated at the same place, then this data is called as no skew or normally distributed data. Okay,